I'm Chioma Evo, and you're welcome to today's Heart to Soul Talk. And the topic is 5 simple ways to make her feel loved. I know you want to really know what this is about. There are many easy ways to win a woman's heart and make her feel so loved without thinking it's all about money. Let me use this scenario of a garden and a gardener. The woman is the garden, and you, the man, are the gardener. Before planting, what do? You uproot the weeds, you clear or burn them, and next you select viable seeds that have the potential to multiply and survive in your garden. And next, what do? You plant. Do you stop there after planting? No. Hell no. What next? You go there regularly to water the plant, and you add manure and weed out some unwanted grass growing. Let me tell you that this also applies to a woman. You are the gardener. You decide how best you want your garden to look with your tender and loving hands and your heart also. So, how do you make her feel loved? I would say, firstly, listen to her. She's saying a whole lot more passively than actively. And you need to understand how to decode those passive, unspoken words beyond what was voiced out. I know you are a busy man and you have a whole lot going on, but I would say she needs your attention more than anything else. A good woman will want you to affirm to her that you like her with your words, how you show up for her, and how genuinely concerned you are with her growth and development. She needs you to lead. Next, please lead. Be a man in the relationship. Direct it. She needs to trust that she's in a safe hands with you. Yeah, you need to do better with your decision making skills and how you choose things that concerns both you and her in the relationship. And let me add another one because this is very important. She needs you to be kind. She needs you to be kind to her. You see, kindness is like sunlight in your garden. It brings warmth. It makes things blossom. Please speak to her gently, even when you are correcting her. Correct her with love. Treat her with the respect because trust me, that little act of kindness will linger in her heart more than more than you can imagine. Next, I believe you saw this one coming. You need to provide for her. As a gardener, you have to keep providing water. You need to add manure if needed to the garden. I'm not saying do this excessively, right? Like I said, this is a time for you both to build together. She needs to see how you manage finances and if she can trust you to take care of the home. Before we continue, I would love to remind you about my upcoming book on how to fight pornography and masturbation addiction. It is not yet out, but I'm excited about it because it is going to help so many people. Also, for one on one consultation, kindly use the link in the description box below. Next, when you start seeing her as a garden, you realize that your love and effort will always reflect on her. But when you neglect her, she begins to wither. But when you nurture her with love, she blossoms into something so beautiful. And you'll be so proud to say, this is my garden. So listen to her, give her the attention, lead her, be kind to her, provide for her, and the ultimate, the the will I say the ultimate, but is it ultimate or the main thing is for you to love her? Sorry, I was not supposed to say ultimate. I'm supposed to say the ultimate of it all is for you to what? To love her, to genuinely love her. And if you don't love her, please let her go. Let her go. Another man will find her valuable. So if you found this episode valuable and you would love to support my channel, kindly use the link in the description box below to donate to the channel, or you can also use the super thanks button here on YouTube. So thank you so much for your support, and kindly watch this next episode titled Dear Man, when you stop caring, results come. Don't forget to check out the love, sex, and relationship playlist on my channel for more high value content like this. I will see you in the next one. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.